Meaning of glamour.
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 Glamour. Glamour refers to an alluring and captivating quality that attracts attention and admiration. It is often associated with beauty, elegance, sophistication, and charm. The term has its roots in the Scottish word gramarye, meaning magic or enchantment. In modern usage, glamour often refers to a stylish and fashionable appearance, as well as a sense of mystery and intrigue. It can also be used to describe a lifestyle or atmosphere that is luxurious and high-end. Overall, glamour connotes a sense of glamour and enchantment that is both appealing and enticing.